Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I hope that you're having a wonderful day and that you are doing well. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing a preview as well as some bracelet designs from the July 2023 release from OHM Beads. A huge thank you to OHM Beads for gifting me these beads to review and style with, and a huge thank you to this community as well, as I wouldn't have these opportunities without each and every one of you, so thank you so much. Feel free to use my own ambassador code Emily in all capital letters to save 22% off nature and flower themed beads. For the July release, I'm going to be sharing 7 of the different pieces that are coming out. There's also a C bangle that is coming out with the lapis end caps. They look beautiful, by the way. Definitely check it out on the OHM Beads website when it gets released. This collection actually will be launching on July 4th. Anyway, without further ado, make sure to grab a delicious cup of tea or your choice of beverage. I'm actually having coffee today. I really needed a caffeine fix, so I picked up a delicious cup of coffee from a local cafe. A huge virtual cheers over to you guys, and let's get started with today's video. Each box I received this year from OHM Beads is scented and it's like infused, and this one was infused with bergamot. It smelled so delicious. Then as I was opening up the box, I saw this cute little OHM muslin cloth bag and I'm like, what is inside here? Like, it felt pretty different too, and I pulled it out and it was this adorable OHM cactus magnet. It is so cute. I absolutely love it. Look at the little hidden heart detail at the top. I love it. And little polka dots on the cactus. So cute. And that little OHM pot with the soil. So adorable. I'm so excited to put this on a fridge or maybe even just on a desk. It is so, so cute. Now let's move along to the first bead in the July 2023 release. It is called King of Liohm, which is really cool. So it's like a lion, but spelt with like OHM at the end. And I could not get over the packaging. So this is a whole collection. There's 4 different beads in it. And the box detail, and look, oh my gosh, it's so cool. The little animation movement of it, like so amazing. So you can see a little lion in motion. And then when you open up the box, inside you'll find a black cloth bag. And inside there is going to be your bead. So I was very excited to see this. I'm a huge Narnia fan, like C.S. Lewis. So this immediately made me think of like C.S. Lewis and everything. And I got very excited. It is a gorgeous bead. The weight of the sterling silver is so beautiful. It's a slightly larger OHM bead. It has, like I said, the weight is very nice. You can also wear it on a necklace pendant, like on the OHM ball, or as well just on your OHM Beads bracelet. Now I'm going to read to you what OHM Beads has to say about this bead. Step into a world of enchantment and let the king, queen, and the court of the garden of good and evil reign over your imagination. With power emanating from every bead, this collection is a sympathy of elegance, beauty, and boundless adventure. Allow yourself to be captivated by their presence and embark on a journey where dreams come alive. Behold the King of Liohm, a majestic lion with a magnificent mane with face-framing braids topped by a grand crown. This bead captures the essence of strength and leadership, transcending pride boundaries. Let their captivating allure guide you through the twists and turns of your own personal odyssey. Unleash your inner explorer and embrace the joy of self-discovery. With every styling, you will embody the essence of power and transformation, inspiring others to find their own hidden treasures. Moving along to the next bead, it's actually going to be a Murano glass bead, and it is called Knight Leopard. And again, how amazing is the leopard detail on the packaging? So cool. I know my friend Rita at A Charmed Dreamer, she actually wanted to color in the boxes. I don't know if she ended up doing that or not, but I'm excited to see if she did because I think that's so much fun to do. So here's a quick look at the box. And of course, we have a little black cloth bag inside. And let's take a close-up look at this bead. I'm really excited to see the details on it. I'm going to read you OHM Beads' inspiration behind this bead. Unleash the spirit of the Knight Leopard, an opaque glass bead featuring a striking leopard pattern in cream, rust, and black. With its patience and reserved demeanor, this knight is always prepared to spring into action. Embrace its fierce energy and unleash your inner courage. Let this bead accompany you on daring escapades and remind you of the power within. Let the captivating allure guide you through the twists and turns of your own personal odyssey. Dare to adventure into the realm of the garden of good and evil. Let the king, queen, and court of many glass be your companions down this extraordinary path. where you'll uncover the magic that lies within you. Embrace the elegance, embrace the adventure, and let your spirit soar. This bead is so beautiful. It's definitely one that I am debating if I want to get a second one of. It is so cool. Now we're going to move into the other glass bead in this collection, and it is called Python Master. OHM Beads does incredible glass beads. There's always so many going on my wish list, and now I have to get a second one of these. It is so gorgeous. Next to King of Liohm, it is my second favorite piece from this release. It is so beautiful, and also look at the box art. I mean, I can't get over the box art. It's so cleverly done in this release. So let's open this little black bag up and let's take a look at this glass bead, you guys. And now I'm going to read to you the inspiration behind this bead. It is so incredibly detailed. I hope you love it as just as much as I do, I should say. Discover the captivating Python Master, a glass bead with a sterling silver core that mesmerizes with its intricate snake patterning and mesmerizing special effect glass work. Its enchanting shades of pinks, yellows, and blues create a sense of depth and light, adding a touch of mystique to the collection. Wear this bead and embark on a journey of adventure and exploration. Here is a look at all the details of this bead. It is so pretty, and I can't wait to see like when other people review this bead or add it to their own beads collection, how it will like change and vary, because I bet you, some will have a little bit more blue notes, some will have a little bit more pink, I'm sure. I cannot wait to see it. I absolutely love the one I got, and I have to get a second one of these. It is so pretty. It kind of looks golden almost, kind of reminds me as a sunset too. So if you're not into pythons, like I feel like you could use this for like a sunset design, like a twilighty kind of theme, like with like the sky, like maybe even a fairy theme. I feel like it could work for a lot of different things, even though it does have that, like that kind of snake pattern to it as well. The next bead is the queen to go with the king bead. It is called Queen of Rhinohm. So it's like rhino with OHM at the end. And oh my gosh, if the lion wasn't amazing and so majestic as is this rhino, the queen rhino, oh my goodness, she is a very, very close second favorite in this release next to the lion. I love her. She has these beautiful floral details on her, like little delicate touches of florals and her own crown, and she's just so beautiful. I can't wait to zoom in on this bead so you guys can take a closer look at her. I love it. I definitely want to wear this on a necklace at some point. You'll see the design. I did do a charm bracelet design. You'll see that design just after seeing this bead. Now let me read to you the inspiration behind this bead, behind this little rhino. Step into the presence of the Queen of Rhinohm, a regal rhinoceros exuding strength and power. Her majestic crown is adorned with delicate flowers, symbolizing the nurturing and protective nature of mother rhinoceroses. This stunning bead can also be worn on an OHM ball necklace, allowing you to showcase your royal spirit with a grace and elegance. So here is a look at the bead. As you've been seeing, you can see her cute little ears, the floral details. There's even leaf details on her. Her little mouth is so cute. The horn details on her. I love her expression. She almost looks like she's like slightly smiling or about to say something, and I just love that. I love where her crown is. You can see all the little flowers going around too. It is such a gorgeous bead, so exquisitely done, so much detail. And again, like the lion, it has a beautiful weight to it. And as mentioned, you can wear it on a necklace or on your charm bracelet. Now let me share with you a look at the bracelet design that I came up with. I just wanted to use all the beads in the collection on one design. I also added I think it's the coconut jelly, the pink one, OHM glass bead onto here too. I couldn't find like a bead that I absolutely love to pair with the Python Master. So I just use those two to complement it until I get another Python Master, because that's how I would want to do this design, is had two of the Python Masters on it. Now I added this onto my OHM twisted bangle, and I just love how it looks. It is so pretty, and you guys can see how large the lion and the rhino are. They look so cool together. Very unique beads. And I definitely feel like if I were to wear this on a necklace, I am sure people are going to be like, whoa, what is that? What are you wearing? Because it's so unique. It's so special. And the size is so, so cool. And here's a quick look at the beads on my wrist. And it's also helpful, I hope, to see them, paired with other glass beads with a stopper, so you get a good idea for sizing as well. I'd love to know your thoughts on this collection. Do you have any favorites from it? Which one would you have to have in your own beads collection? Please let me know down below. Now we're going to move along to the last 3 beads in this release, and the first one that I'm going to be sharing is called So Tempting. Oh my goodness, it's another favorite. I think this bead is so cool. It's very detailed as well. It's a really beautiful shape too. It's in the shape of an apple, but it almost slightly looks like a heart too because of the apple shape, which is really neat. It has the tree of life on the one side, and then you can see there's a snake and a woman on the other side. It also has some open work detailing to it, which is really neat as well. This bead and the next bead that you're seeing are also part of the Good and Evil Garden collection. So just keep that in mind because you'll get a little sense of what OHM Beads inspiration behind this is. So without further ado, let me read that to you. The Garden of Good and Evil invites you to take a bite. So Tempting is a silver bead that embodies the allure of the forbidden. Its shimmering surface conceals a captivating secret, beckoning those who dare to explore their inner desires. Inspired by the allure of the Garden of Good and Evil, this bead entices individuals to succumb to their deepest cravings. So Tempting promises to fulfill them all. By surrendering to temptation and shedding the shackles of fear, this bead invites you to embrace the unknown and take a bite out of life's temptations, discovering the hidden treasures that lie within. The last bead from the Garden of Good and Evil is called So Tempted, and I'm going to read to you what OHM Beads has to say about this design. So Tempted is a captivating design, invoking a sense of irresistible allure, crafted with intricate details with a snake veil, fig leaf, and apple details. This exquisite silver bead entices you to delve into the depths of temptation. It whispers to your innermost desires, daring you to explore the forbidden and venture beyond your comfort zone. With its alluring charm, So Tempted stirs a longing for excitement, adventure, and the thrill of the unknown. Succumb to its enchantment and let your inhibitions fade away as you embrace the irresistible pull of this bead. Indulge your senses and be enticed by the seductive mysteries it holds, for within temptation lies a world of endless possibilities. This dangle charm is so detailed. As you can see, the veil is the snake. You also have the fig leaf, which the detail on that is so beautiful. You also have a full apple, and then you have an apple that has been eaten, so you can kind of see the bite marks, the chew marks on that apple there. The snake is holding all 3 of the little charm dangles, and he almost has like this little smile on his face. It is a lightweight sterling silver charm, and it pairs so perfectly with So Tempting. Now you're going to see why I wanted to separate these 2 beads from the Garden of Good and Evil. So I wanted to put them on my OHM Lucky Red OHM Whip bracelet along with some red OHM Bead glass beads. These are actually borrowed from my Chinese New Year, Lunar New Year bracelet, as well as I also tend to use these beads for like a Canada Day theme as well. So I kind of took my bracelets apart, put this on, and I just love the pop of red. I was going for that red apple theming. You can also see my OHM clasp that I wanted to do up the bracelet with, and I just love the pop of red. I was pretty casual the day I was filming this. I was just wearing my Roots hoodie, and it's kind of like a waffle design to it, and I just thought that pop of red, it just like the contrast, like it just was so fun. I ended up wearing it for the rest of the day. I love So Tempted and the movement it creates onto a bracelet. Dangles are some of my favorite beads, actually. I really love how they just add, a little bit of movement to a design, a charm bracelet design. I would love to know how you guys would style So Tempting and So Tempted. Would you pair them together? What kind of bracelet theme would you put them on? Please let me know down below. Now we're going to move along to the last bead in the July release, and of course it is part of the OHM Beads Space Collection, and it is Uranus. So each month, OHM Beads has been releasing a new planet for the Space Collection, and it has been so much fun seeing which planet they're going to do next. So let's take a close-up look at this bead. Let's take it out of the box. Also, the box art for the Space Collection is so fun. I love the galaxy vibes to it. Now, this bead has some beautiful movement to it. So as you can see, it spins. So someone who loves to play with her jewelry or kind of fidget with her jewelry, I love that you can play with it and you can spin it around. It is such a cool detail. And the veil is so neat. You can see the texture and detail on the planet. It's so neat. Now, let me read to you the inspiration behind this bead. Uranus is associated with extremes, breakthroughs, limitlessness, innovation, rebellion, and individuality. While Saturn is the planet of limitations, Uranus is the planet that seeks to push past inhibitions. The rules exist to be broken, right? Uranus reminds us to take risks, chase chances, and subvert definition. Don't be afraid of what ifs or judgment from the outside world. Uranus is believed to have a transformative effect on those under its influence. A deep vocalized exhale can help us see that Uranus brings the big picture, long-term goals, and immediate next steps needed for radical change into focus. Allow Uranus to guide you on the way to becoming the best version of yourself. Do what you want fearlessly. And that is it for today's OHM Beads preview of the July 2023 collection. This whole release will be launching on July 4th, so I'm very excited to see what beads all of you guys are going to be loving and adding to your wish list. If you do have any favorites, please let me know down below. Feel free to use my ambassador code, or I should say ambassador code, Emily, in all capital letters to save 22% off nature and flower themed OHM beads. Anyway, you guys, I am wishing you a magical, wonderful rest of your day, a very happy long weekend if it's a long weekend in your area. I'm going to be celebrating Canada Day on July 1st. I'm so excited. I'm probably definitely going to be wearing my own red whip bracelet. Anyway, you guys, take care, goodbye, and I'll see you in my next video.